touch, I could with just one touch, I could feel my body giving.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi Lima, are you ready for the class today?
Not really. I'm still working on my assignment about Islamic banking.
Is it about profit sharing?
Yes, I'm studying the relationship between profit, loss, and responsibility of business program.
The interesting in Sharia economic, justice and honesty are very important values.
Exactly. It trusts a bank can build a good relationship with its customer.
I agree, let's discuss